So we do also salute our papa for the territory, that is our DO, Mr. Ote Philip. We do salute our CB. We do salute our army commander of Betap. We do salute our youth president for Andek also. We do also salute all the good youth them from Andek. We do salute all the mami them where they don't worker, they don't see me picking against something for chop. They don't try for work farm for we for stand say move find more get multiple chop farm. And they salute other mami them. And they make them not rain don't come, not for rain don't come. And me they know how to manage the rain as they teach them last year. Say would they for climate change period. May they see how to manage this period. May they not go plant now, don't be planting season yet. They feed the clear farm them, they feed start work their yam them, but may they not plant other crops they like maize. Now it's not yet the planting season for maize. Once more, as I be talk so I salute all them bed the way they don't pay the earth for the fungi because say it be no be for Douala, it be for Yaoundé, it be for Bafoussam, it be for Bamenda, it be fungi. If they don't put you fungi, means it be fungi. That means I salute our mbe for Bonato, I salute our mbe for Eto, I salute them for what other mbe again they around, what other one they around, them be Obanamufe, I salute to Ata Mberekai, and I salute all the able quarter head they also come, the chairperson them, well therefore the village for make sure to make community the work and fine. So I salute all the chairperson them, the chairperson of Baite, the chairperson of Itui, the chairperson of Bonanyang, the chairperson of Banamufe, the chairperson of Andek, the chairperson of Angai, the chairperson of Ebang, and the salute owner, and make sure to me village you work fine. And say me all things go work fine, especially when this school then come back because say if school not they were picking they go become na aneng and they talk for ngi. Aneng that means my way no nothing. The other day I be very surprised and thought of small picking for the way they class 6. But that picking will be able to talk me by name. A very poor thing, a very bad thing, and because of it. You know they go better school. So I call each and every man, each and every quarter head, each and every chairman, each and every coordinator for every community. Say when I make sure say me on a school they function fine, and say me on a teacher they come back, when I complain, when I call for the deal, when I report to the mayor, who shop make and say any child not there on seats, may they make and say that teacher come back because say if they not there now the losses, mayor not the losses, especially deal not the losses, no nothing. Because the kind of campaign the mayor not picking for you. So I make sure say when I report for you if any teacher not there on seat. So I salute all the head teacher there on seat, the head teacher for AJ especially, the head teacher for Bonato, the head teacher for Barambe. I salute you, Papa Okum. I salute all the head teacher where they on seat, where they make sure say me that picking them, they study fine, they do good work. And I salute especially Mr. Okum, the head teacher. We don't make sure say it don't come out for Angong, it don't for Barambi, and since where the man is there around, it sounds like they don't change plenty because they picking the rosters talk now, fine talk for school. You see picking now, discuss with each other picking, you know, the story, and make sure that picking the understanding and also. So, Papa, thank you and keep on with your good work. And they also salute the head teacher of Bonato, where they don't make sure say it don't break the earth. We want the meeting that they go fine. And they also salute the head teacher for Ajay and the head teacher for Bonanyang. So the papa them and the son I told say when I thank you for good work. I'm gonna make sure say me all man come back and any other man know the when the man come I call on the inspector of basic education for make sure say me the people there me they come back, may they come do their work where they pay them for. You know they do the work now because say they no one do say that because they choose to do them, but they do the work now because say na civil responsibility. may they get that civil mindedness for make sure say may they do work where they don't take oath for do am, because it be very important. They will need for the brave the oath who show say our brother they for bush. They did that because say they want to see meeting and pass fine. And any man they for bush, if he they for bush and say meeting not pass fine, that means say no why they for bush. So I don't believe so our brother they for bush, they don't like as me school go, they want to see me school go. So they can say when I come back can do when I work the way they don't pay when I for the drum. Well, thank you very much. Listen to good music as we will continue with the program.
This is my only favorite station, playing the best songs on the radio.
Radio DUDUM, FM 103.5.
Ooh, the radio of my dream.
Radio DUDUM.
Ooh, the radio of my dream.
Oh, yes. Onibunje kom. Amba ni zora ba radio DUDUM. Ayira jumba ni zora ba radio DUDUM. Amedi za go ngiziga. Marriage is a good. Waiting be this one like this. Been through many things, many things. Go I still find my peace on the did you like see me? I know they see. I say I know the year. Which kind of person be this? Waiting be this one like this. Been through many things. Faster than a bullet, flying like a rocket. Bad man we never rest. King of South and US, faster than a car. Move ever missile, faster than a Benz. Oh, you blue level, so bad vibes on the ground. Reading my sound, I'm so vibey calm. I even look at them, they're to the front. They won't say your name. They want to do your teacher. Before you are my nigga, you go there when I no get you. Nigga, you go there when I no get rapper. Cause my mama be praying for me, say make I get it. My baby,
Okay. I will tell my name again. I will remind you once more. My name na Prof Ambiance. Prof Ambiance on the mic right now. Okay, as my powerful station they ever talk about, that is Anderson Emmanuel. Say music if find the information if find pass. So now wait to get time for our table this morning. We will remind you back on the small information where our Papa Lord Mayor Obango Haley believe our table yesterday. And we will also talk about some small to happen within the municipality of Andek where concern the youth them plenty. Now wait to happen. So our first line will be now with the two happen for municipality. Now wait to happen for municipality. Some are picking for Andek here where they work by men that they do ties work by men that it be for a pray where they mistakenly key for Bamenda. Why the key? The key this our picking may so rest in peace because it be there for the wrong place at the wrong time. Where it be been say maybe we don't know what really happened, a certain handwork. But for information we'll get an assurity. This our picking he keep that kind of hairstyle way they call and say Jamaican hairstyle way that people the way they make the dance that reggae song them. The Bob Marley so another hairstyle no where they call and say Drake, dreadlocks. That hairstyle we keep them. And because of that hairstyle they say police people they be follow many uniform they be follow some bad boy. They be follow bad boy, the bad people inside Bamenda town. As they before that bad people inside Bamenda town, unfortunately that bad people they run, they go out of a corridor where that picking be there for that corridor. They run the enter the height. And that bad boy they begin the same hairstyle with that picking his own hairstyle. So as that picking begin one hairstyle with that bad boy then, so when the people they kill the enter, they don't see the people they don't hide, they see that picking we don't stand. So they feel saying that the body they follow and because they picking them all then begin almost one hairstyle when that hairstyle for Bomali, that put the smoke tongue cigar so as the method of picking they confuse the feel that they put they follow them automatically they open fire for that picking skin. When I very sad news, a loss for youth, a loss for Nyaso as a whole, a loss for Andek youth as a whole. So the shooter was more border, Bamenda Day, and he died. So the one call on all our brother them, all youth them say, Ibek, Abekun and Abekam, presentation na very important thing. How you present yourself. We know the context where they for outside today, na very bad context, na very difficult context. So if you keep yourself nyama any kind of style, you make the kind of style the way not correct for you, na very bad thing. I the talk say where Papa Nixon where Papa hold your heart, na very we not in a difficult situation. I the call on the uncle Faro say Papa Faro abeg hold your heart, we not in a very difficult situation. We not spend for 10% picking for school, we not spend for make amigo learn work, and I want need for enjoy, but the hands of the devil. Don't make an picking up for bad place for the wrong time. So beg on a hold on heart. And I also call all parents them say I beg una try for educating and picking them. May they learn for dress properly. May they learn for dress properly. It be very, very, very important. They say the way you present yourself, not the way they will look you. Yes. The way you present yourself, not the way they will see you. If you present yourself like Chris Man, they will see you like Chris Man. If you present yourself like Thief Man, they will see you like Thief Man. You present yourself like Amroba, they go see you like Amroba Papa Abekuna. Tell una picking and say, me they learn for the dress well. Me they learn for get a good haircut. Me they be presentable. The way they teach them for school, me they be very presentable, very neat. You they keep dialogue say you be magician. You they keep dialogue say you be Bob Marley, you be strong cigar smoker, or you be artist. So Abekuna, una learn for do the right things at the right time, and be for the right place at the right time. So I want us to make condolence for the family for this great loss. Our second way table na waiting. The second way table na say our Lord Mayor, he don't keep some very important information. But I believe say since yesterday we don't try for call on the internet on the listening ear for the population of Andek, especially because of the very information they go to. Now wait till the information. The information I say community work day today for Andek municipality. First of all, community do work there for the whole municipality. That means for all communities there for Andek. Banamofe, Teze, Abebung, Ajay, Angong, and all the other communities them, all the other villages them. Community work day for the obligatorily. Now our special community work day. But we get special community work where we go the whole for Andek community. Where you go then outside. You go there for Inibat and towards Aquabong. So they walk between Inibat towards Aquabong. That means they will follow the roadway, the stretch of River Firk going towards the old market, and they will also follow the stretch of River Firk going towards Angai village. And they will walk especially around the area of Elekam office because the sub-delegate for Elekam, he don't decide to Wakam Seti Fungi. So that the chop money, they remain for outside when are fighting. And the Lord Mayor, they call on all the other sub-delegates, the way they do for outside, say, they give the warning hand. Say me they come back for the municipality, I can't do the work way, they pay them for DUDUM. So this community work, it goes centralized mostly around that Elekam office. Make sure the office be very neat. And then all the stretch going towards Angai, they will clean all that area. They will also clean the stretch going towards the old market site. And the Lord Mayor, they also say me, all people there for Andek municipality, me they make sure me that compound they clean. Me Andek, especially for Andek town, they make sure that compound they clean, the environment they clean. They put themselves within the market site. They make sure the market also be very neat. And say today, this community work today, people will not come out for the community work. Me coordinator open the eye. You know what I say? Me can't say I be the sick, I not be here, I not be nothing at now so. Because the team go there for outside now so. They will come out, they will work out, they will look people, they know community work. and coordinator too go report, give special report for mayor table for all my no come up for the community work. And the person that will pay it, they will pay a fine of 5,000 francs CFA. Yes, 5,000 francs CFA for all my no community work. So mayor no one here say you know be here the community work. In no one here say you know be no say community work day. Community work is day like country fashion. Presently fungi. Every Monday, mayor be don't put them. Yeah, Papa Joe Ote Philip. Say every Monday, the hongi community, the hongi go out for community work. People they for Tinochong, they call our owner. People they for Tinok, people they for Itwi, una come out for outside today, una go work. People they for AJ, people they for Angong, una come out for outside today, una go work. People they for Abebung. Coordinator, make sure say me name they come for mayor table. Coordinator them, it is why they sleep now. No do una work fine. You guys are sleeping. You guys are not doing your job. Coordinator for Banamufe. Una no do una work. You guys are sleeping. Me name the BD come for up. Me name the come for people the way they be stubborn. Me that name the come for up, so that they will face the law. Coordinator for ESO, for Abicha, for Azam. We need names them. I beg. We need names them. For Obia, we need names them. People the way they don't want to community. Well, that's stubborn people them. They need to name them plenty. I beg. When I bring, we no one pity for Ebang. We need coordinator for Ebang. Bring name. For Oman, for Teze, we need names them. So me, all man come for community work today. Today na Monday. I would not say by 8 a.m. me all Monday for outside the work. So they work not just for 2-3 hours. People they una do one or two, una clean community, and make community be neat. So na Lord may you don't talk today. So more remind una about and say it'll be very sad, it'll be very bitter for those communities where they be very dirty, because you know what and say me being a bad example for Cameroon and for Momo especially, because they say Gipo they gonna back now, so Gipo they gonna back when a very bad thing. So what Mingi brave the odd Mingi wake up the other town there for Momo. Mingi we call it Bengui, Mingi we call it Widikum. You wanna Gipo na the wrong for Widikum every day. I see the Widikum the waka, I see the Widikum the hall, Widikum the boom. Me come market the problem let's say na honey hypes. But we don't wish una on day una the government na for under bed them na very bad thing. Una no go on na go for Widikum na no fit come for na own market. Na very bad thing. Una they come up for here go for Widikum, go see the way thing happen for Widikum. You day pass for Widikum fine. But from here it be then say na day for Satan. Why? Me people they brave the earth. Me they fund they make sure say me that people they believe make me come up, me that people they come back to village. Me school they come back, me all thing come back, me the village it run normally. I thank you very much. Una keep on for listening for good music over Radio DUDUM, and the program we will get more program them on air. By evening time we will start to analyze the president his speech for evening. I want to say me all, especially me all you then come listen to this analysis. It will be a debate, so we will need interaction there. We will need people that will call. What I mean people they call, tell me what they think about president's speech, President Paul Biya's speech, they prepare for Cameroon. I mean they made a call, tell me what they think about the speech. So we will get the analysis. We will start the analysis. The one will start now today for evening. So we will make and say me all man, we will like say me all man come out, can't tell me what they think about. To a papa don't to come for the UDM and a to come for Cameroon in general. Thank you very much.
Timmy J on the track.